The Sun is the largest object in our solar system. Its weight is 333,000 times more than Earth. 1.3 million Earths can fit into the Sun. Every country has tried to study the impact of the Sun on the Moon. America, China, Japan, Russia, Germany, UK, have launched their mission to the Sun. In 2018, NASA launched Parker Solar Probe in collaboration with European Space Agency. Apart from this, there was a solar orbiter which was launched by NASA and ESA in 2020. Now India also launched its mission to the Sun on the 2nd of September 2023. Aditya L1. Aditya L1 will be placed on L1 position in space. That's where it got its name. It will go 1.5 million kilometers away from the Earth. Then it will move in a halo orbit around Lagrange Point L1. Lagrange points are those unique points in space where the gravitational force of two celestial bodies is balanced out. The third law of Newton is also followed in space, according to which every action has an equal reaction but opposite in direction. For example, if the gravity of the Sun affects the Earth, then the gravity of the Earth also affects the Sun. So one such point comes where both gravitational forces cancel the effect of each other. These points are actually Lagrange points. If we consider the Sun and the Earth, we got 5 Lagrange points: L1, L2, L3, L4 and L5. L1 and L2 are considered more important point because they are closer to the Earth. At these points, spacecraft becomes more stable. Because of this stability, spacecraft conserve fuel. This is helpful in longer missions. Aditya L1 will take 4 months to reach that point. Once it reaches there, it will stay there for 5 years and observe the Sun. The main task of Aditya L1 is to study the 3 topmost layers of the Sun: photosphere, chromosphere and corona. Usually we call photosphere the surface of Sun. But actually the Sun doesn't have any surface like the Earth. Because there is only hot gases and plasma. Here the temperature is relatively colder, up to 5,500 degrees Celsius only. Above the photosphere layer, chromophore is present, where temperature starts to rise again. It starts at 6,000 degrees Celsius and reaches up to 20,000 degrees Celsius. The outermost layer of the Sun is corona. It contains extremely hot plasma which is up to 1.3 million degrees Celsius. These 3 top layers of the Sun are center point of observation for Aditya L1. 7 instruments are installed on Aditya L1. First one is Visible Emission Line Coronagraph (VELC). It will study corona layer and observe coronal mass ejections. Solar Ultraviolet Imaging Telescope suit will take images of Sun's photosphere. Solar Low Energy X-ray Spectrometer (SOLEX) and High Energy L1 Orbiting X-ray Spectrometer (HELIOS) will study X-rays emitted by Sun. Especially the X-rays emitted during solar flares will be observed. Aditya Solar Wind Particle Experiment Aspects and Plasma Analyzer Package for Aditya PAPA payloads will study solar wind. The last payload is Magnetometer MAG, which will measure magnetic fields in space. This is the first Sun mission of India.